Okay, so I just stumbled upon this fascinating project called Complat, which is basically a Lisp interpreter in a single C file.
Wait, seriously. A whole Lisp interpreter all crammed into less than 500 lines of code. That's impressive.
Right, and it's not just minimal, it's scheme compliant too, which is a big deal for compatibility.
Absolutely. But I wonder, how does it handle garbage collection with such a small footprint?
Good question. It uses a semi-space garbage collector based on Cheney's algorithm. It's simple yet effective.
Cheney's algorithm. That's the one where it copies live objects to a new space, right?
Exactly, it helps manage memory efficiently, but there's a catch. It doesn't handle threading or security at all.
Wow, that's a huge limitation. So basically, it's not safe for concurrent applications.
Yes, and there's almost zero error handling too. You could run into problems if something goes wrong.
Interesting setup. It must be great for learning or for experimenting, but not for production. Right.
Exactly. Plus, the project includes an implementation of Lisp 1.5, which is like a historical gem.
Lisp 1.5. That takes me back. I love how that version keeps things so simple.
Totally, like in Lisp 1.5 they used for true and nil for false instead of T and F.
Right? It's such a clean way of handling Boolean values, but it does limit expressiveness a bit.
True, I mean it's nostalgic, but we've come a long way since then, haven't we?
We really have. Just think about how complex modern interpreters are. It's mind-boggling.
For sure, but there's beauty in simplicity too. You can learn so much from these compact systems.
Definitely. It's like examining the principles of computation without all the fluff.
And speaking of principles, the limited tail call optimization in the project is quite intriguing too.
Oh, right. So it's not true tail call optimization. How does that impact performance?
Well, it means recursion can lead to stack overflow in deep cases. It's mostly for teaching.
That makes sense. It keeps things manageable, but seasoned programmers might find it limiting.
Exactly. It raises an interesting point about balancing educational tools with practical usability.
And isn't that true for many programming languages? Their design often reflects different priorities.
Totally, some prioritize performance while others aim for clarity or ease of learning.
And I think Complot nails that balance in a nostalgic way while still being relevant today.
Right? It's almost like a time capsule for programmers. What other features have caught your eye?
I'm curious about the implementation details now. How does it maintain the same functionality across versions?
Good question. They've tweaked it for better alignment with earlier Lisp principles, which is smart.
That shows dedication. It's rare to see such historical accuracy in modern adaptations.
True, it connects the dots between past and present coding practices in a meaningful way.
And you know, it's fascinating how open-source communities contribute to its evolution.
Exactly. It creates a learning platform where newcomers can experiment and understand fundamentals.
What I find intriguing is that this could serve both seasoned pros and newbies alike.
Yeah, it lowers the barrier to entry while also providing depth for experienced developers.
It reminds me of those old-school programming challenges. It's like coding boot camp in a file.
Haha, for sure. Speaking of challenges, how do people navigate the lack of error handling?
That must be tricky. I guess it encourages developers to think critically and debug rigorously.
Definitely, it's a great exercise in problem solving, although it can be a headache for some.
True, but at the end of the day, that experience could be invaluable for new developers.
So this project brings a lot to the table, nostalgia, simplicity, but also reveals gaps.
Right, balancing simplicity and robustness is a constant dance in programming.
And it leaves us pondering, how do we best honor the past while innovating for the future?
Exactly. That's a question worth exploring as technology evolves and we look ahead.